Hi, Robert here with more Revit training, and this is a special exercise for Syed. I think that's your name. I'm sorry if I mispronounced it. So we were interested in this family right here. This is what we call, and this is a SPEH, and SP is probably stand for standard plate and whatever, whatever. So now there's a way to create that family. I think. Okay, what I will do here, I'm going to just go and select it now. It's a family, and I'm going to go down here to the view, and I'm going to go isolate it. Okay, so there's that family. Basically, it's just a series of plates and things welded together, and we can now, I'm going to unisolate it now. I'm going to go back and reset this, just so we can see this. Now, here, they basically use this as support. You know, the whole, this is support for opening. Sorry about that. Okay, and then now what happens is, if you want to create this family, it's pretty simple, basic. Well, okay, I'm going to go now. I want to just select it. And we're going to go to edit the family. So now I'm in the family environment. This is basically how this family was created and how I made it. I'm going to go here and I'm going to just hit this shaded view. Well, no, I'll leave it in wireframe because you can't really see what's happening here. So basically these are what we would call a face-based family here. And we have here our family types, and we have our parameters. So basically, these can be adjusted. Say, for instance, the filler width is 6 inches there. I can change it, and then the length, I can change that. Say it's 311. Here, I can make it whatever. And then I got other types, so I can go here, select this one, and apply it. Okay. So this is the different types of metrics or parameters that I can have with this particular family. So I'm going to go back into my 3D view here. And that's basically it. So pretty much done here. If I open this family again, once again, I'll go edit it. And it's just a matter of reference planes. Let's see, let me go on I mean, I'll go here. So, and then we're going to our family types, and these are the different parameters that we are set and use for this. Okay. I'm sorry about that. I don't know what. Okay, now. Again, so that will be SP2, SPEH, and I'm going to apply that one. Okay. I'm not sure if we're moving or it works properly. Oh, let's go and just change this to something a little bigger and make this in our shaded view. So this is what's going to happen. Now, basically, this is going to be on the top, and we want to make sure that when we drop the family in the model, that's what sort of happens. And I'll put this back in wireframe here, and you'll see this is going to be in, underneath or whatever. So hey, thanks for watching my videos, wherever you are in the world. Please subscribe or communicate with me. Drop a note in the comment section. It supports the channel. So yeah, so that's that family. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe and helps me make videos like this every day. Like I said, if you got a comment or a question or you need to know anything, drop it in the comment section. I'll try to get to you if I can. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye. Be safe, y'all.